Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and a perfect website can be made with a suitable WordPress theme. And if you are looking for a multi-purpose WordPress theme for a startup and business, this video is for you. In this video, I have Cube WordPress theme, and Cube allows you to create a unfading and a smart impression through UI UX rich web designs, templates and layouts. In this video, we are going to install Cube WordPress theme, and we will also preview the theme options, customization option and the demo import process of Cube WordPress theme. And Cube WordPress theme comes with 25 pre-made demo websites. So I'm sure one of these category is certainly going to match your requirements. So if we talk about the demo website, it has main demo, digital studio, web design, marketing agency, app development, creative agency, hosting, portfolio, freelancer, life coach, startup agencies and much more. So you have many choices to choose with, and all designs. So I am clicking randomly on the demo website. I'll show you one or two, and I am going to add the link of this demo and all such things where you can get the theme and you can get the hosting. Everything has been given in the description of this video. Just follow the link and get the theme, start building your website and follow the patterns and process that I am going to show you in this video to have a complete demo website and start editing the content and launch your website immediately. And let us have a quick look on the demo website. This is main demo of Cube, and it is having a very clear and professional look. And let us open another. This is creative portfolio demo of Cube WordPress theme, and it is actually very good, and the color combination that has been used and the images is really marvelous, and you can use these images at your website as well. So Cube presents the content in a very professional and a specific manner. So you can see the inner pages, and the speed of website is really awesome, and there is no comparison of any other thing. This is being the third one. This is mobile slider, and it has also a parallax effect slider, and it is really very good. So the menus has been given in the sidebar format and the open and close format. This is really wonderful, and now I am going to open some more. So that is really looking awesome. This is Cube, and it is portfolio, really great. And this is creative agency 2. Okay, this is also very good. So it is a perfect WordPress theme. And now if we talk more about the Cube, so Cube uses Elementor as the page builder. So this is the latest trend of using Elementor, and it works very fine on the website. Of course, it has no coding skill required. I mean, so if you don't have any technical knowledge about the development and the HTML CSS, you can develop your website easily at your own. And theme option customization is very easy. Color scheme customization is also very easy. It has cross browser compatibility, and you'll get each and everything that you need for starting your website for your business, startup business, and any of these categories that has been displayed here, and the pre-made websites are available. And if you are even a consulting firm, you can develop a website, cafe, slider, furniture shop. So shop is also supported. I'll show you one shop version. This is the e-commerce version of Cube, and it is really good. So this is furniture shop, and if we talk about any product listing, this is being the product listing, and it is also very clear and clean design. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the developers. So Cubase has been developed by my all-time favorite developers, that is Radiant Themes. Radiant Themes are elite author, and the Radiant Themes being the original developer of Cubase multi-purpose business agency theme. The theme was developed in 2019, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. It is compatible with Elementor, WooCommerce, and the latest version of WordPress, that is WordPress 5.8x. The theme files comes with PHP file, CSS and JSS file. So it is also well documented, layout is responsive, and everything that you need for a stunning website, and that with Elementor. So without any further delay, let us begin the installation of Cubase WordPress theme, and I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, that is running the default 2020 WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress. I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have licensing, some pre-bundled package has been provided, so Radiant Themes add-ons and custom post type and slider evolution has been given in the theme pack. The main theme file and the child theme file has been provided, so we shall be using this file for our installation purpose. To begin the installation, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on themes, add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose cubase.zip. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size. So theme is really greatly optimized, so it is just having 10.06 MB in size, and this is an indication of well optimized code. Once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Cubase folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space, we have already extracted it. Both activities of uploading theme are same. Either you can use this WordPress interface, or you can directly upload the theme pack into WP content themes folder using FTP manager or file manager, whatever you are having. So don't repeat the process. Now since we have uploaded the theme, we can go back to the theme section, and we have Cubase as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Cubase version 1.1.5, and the theme is extensively catering to the needs of multifunctional startup, enterprise business, and digital firms that aspire for a dynamic WordPress power website. Now we can activate the theme, and upon activation we got landed on a welcome page of Cubase, and that is showing the next process, next steps. And this is dashboard, and it is indicating we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete feature of theme, and it is also showing the system status, and one of my system status is looking red, and that I am going to make it green, and rest of informations are great. So if we need to increase the WP memory limit. Okay, so what I'll do, I will open the WP config file. For this I have a separate video for this. You can find on this channel how to increase the WP memory limit and WP limit. So it is very simple, and we need to edit the WP config file for this, and I am going to open it, and there is a line that says that's all, stop editing. We have to put a line of code that is in WP memory limit, and we need to put this line, define WP memory limit. I believe this should be like define. So I'm selecting it again, and okay, no, it should be not red. Okay, so it is now defining the WP memory limit, and it can be 56. Okay, just save this, and it will make the screen light green. Yes, so now it is all green, and now we need to install all plugins. Let us go to the plugin installer screen, and it is showing activate all plugins. So Elementor is anywhere. Elementor is here. Contact Form 7, visit Elementor. Contact Form 7, Elementor. Custom post type, Radiant themes, add-ons, and the framework is Redux. So this theme is a great combination of Elementor and Redux framework. This both framework works very fine in joint. So this is a very good technical combination, so I always recommend to have this combination. And Unison is another framework being used in this theme. Standard Revolution is here, WooCommerce is here. So we need to install all the plugins in order to get the complete features of the Cubeway WordPress theme, and simply click on activate all plugins. And now the installation of plugins has started, and it is simply showing the screen status, and net is disconnected, but it is not a matter, so I can click on OK, and the Contact Form 7 is being installed here. I think there is some problem in installing the Contact Form 7. What I'll do, I'll install this Contact Form 7 manually. It is very simple, so you should not wait for this. And add plugins option is here, and Contact Form 7 install now. Activate install plugins. Elementor white Contact Form 7 install now. Activate plugins, and now again we are on this screen. We can simply refresh this page, and I believe this Contact Form 7 has been already installed. Now it has been activated, and next is the RT custom post type. We can activate it. Radiant themes add-ons, we can go for it. And I am sorry for the sounds coming from the background. It is really not in my control. And now we have to install rest of plugins. So we can simply click on activate all plugins, and Redux framework has been installed. Standard Revolution is being installed. Unison and the WooCommerce is the last one. So it is very simple, and now we have an option to click here to continue with the demo import process. Simply click on it. We have installed all the plugins, and all the plugins have been installed and activated. Now we are on a screen that is saying to import demo. Meanwhile, we can have a look of our website, how it is looking with the theme and all setup plugins, since we have installed the theme and all plugins. So this is being the core look of Cubeway WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content. It is core and clean. So if you are in plan for making your website at your own, that means if you want to use your own wireframe and own design structure, you can start building your website scratch from here. You shall be getting the complete features of theme and plugins. And if you need to have a website like any of these pre-made websites, so you need to have a demo content, and you have already seen all the demo. So for furniture, okay, so we are targeting any website like this or any of this. So it is very simple to have a demo website. this type of a stunning website is really going to be great for your business. So now we can simply import the demo content, and it is simple and it can be done with a one click. So we are on the same screen. This is demo content install screen, and the wizard bring us here, and simply click on install. Okay, and now the Unison importer has started. And okay, so I am having some trouble with my Unison, I believe, but yes, it has been started. And I must tell you about the Unison importer, that it works very fine while importing the demo content, and it also resizes all the images, and it never goes fail if you are having a good hosting for your WordPress website. So again, hosting is very important for any of the WordPress website, and you should have a suitable hosting plan for your website. So don't think about the money. It comes in a very reasonable price, almost negligible price, and below the it comes even cheaper than the theme cost. So for a year it can be just for few dollars. So okay, if you are ordering the Cube WordPress theme at WP Themes website, and you are selecting any hosting plan, you shall be getting the same capacity and same server as you are watching on the screen. And this is really well optimized for the WordPress websites, and it works very fine. You are already watching the speed of this posting. So it is recommended that you should have a suitable hosting plan by following the link given in the description of this video. And there is an advantage of having hosting with WP Themes, that this selected theme will come in a pre-installed manner. It means that you are going to get a pre-made website, I mean the selected demo website, already installed at your domain that you are selecting. You can book your domain at our own and share the details with the WP Themes team, and they will definitely install the theme for you on the hosting plan that you are taking. So now the screen is saying the images and medias announced. So there is 264 MB of data is to be downloaded first, and it is going on, and 183 MB has been already downloaded. So we have to wait on this screen because it is going to download all media files, and it depends on your internet connection and developer server speed, your server speed. So all dependent parameters are here, and we have to wait until the screen showing next message. And once the demo import will get complete, it will be directed to the new website automatically. You have to do nothing, so just wait. Don't refresh the page, don't hit the back button. And now the image resizing is going on, and there are 1616 images, 1616, which is a great number. So it is going, the system Unison is going to resize all the images, and it is definitely going to take time, but it is really necessary for your website. Please note, the image resize and image size restore will certainly going to take time, so your patience is required here. And now it is going to complete, and as I told you, screen will redirect to the new screen. I'm in the ready website automatically once it gets complete, and we have to wait for a moment. And now it is redirecting, and the new website is loading up, and something good is coming on the screen. And yes, we have a complete website, and we are on landing page, in fact, as we seen in the demo. And again, we have all the website with us, and it is very simple to have new website for any of your selected pre-made website, since all the demo of pre-made website has been given in the theme pack itself, and we have already, yeah, this is the digital studio, and the complete set of images and the elements has been provided in the demo itself. So you just need to put your own content and whatever you may choose. So everything is available on our domain, and we can simply start putting our content, and the website will be ready. And this is being the second one. So you can see everything is working fine here, and now we have completed the installation of Cubeway WordPress theme along with the demo content. I will show you what we have got in the demo in fact, and I'll show the complete set of downloads and that has been supplied in the demo itself, and I'll show you the theme options, customization options. So all the demo website with us now, so simply note that you can choose any after importing the demo. So WooCommerce database update is required, and now it has been done. So everything has been done, installation part is done, and I'll show you first media library, how much images that we have got in this demo, and it should be a good number. 1703 images has been provided in the demo content itself. This is why it took time, but yes, all the images are with us, and now we can use all or any of these images for our website. So all available at our installation only. And if we check the pages, how many pages we have now, so we have 121 published pages. So every page is here, and business agency, like all home pages is here, business agency new, and this is the business agency landing page. And if we talk about the business agency new, so all designs are well crafted, and you can use any of the available home page for your website, and all pages are complete. So it goes without saying, this is presenting a complete set of website in the demo itself. So you can start building your website by just building your website is already complete, and you just need to put your own content, original content, and your website will be ready. So it is so simple, and we have each and everything. Now it is time to show you the backend, the installation of that we got, the options we got in this installation. So I will show you one by one what we got. Additional Unison we have already used, that has been used for importing the demo content, and AE templates is new. I'll show you what is AE templates. So home temp, so this is basically a service tab and for pricing, and it has been used on the website. We can check this, and you can add new AE templates or edit the existing one. This is used for pricing and all such activities. So now testimonials is also new. You can add testimonials, edit the existing testimonials from here. Team is also here, and okay, so some you can add team and their details from this section. Portfolio is new, so I'll show you each and everything what has been supplied in addition to the default WordPress. So this is portfolio section, and I'll show you one of the portfolio. If you are choosing any demo that is using portfolio, this is the section where you can edit the content or you can add new content. This is in the portfolio. Okay, and next is portfolio. We have seen clients are here, so clients can be added or edited at existing one. So I'll show you the fields, what are the fields given in the client section. Case study is also new, so I'll show you the case studies, and this is being case study. We can take a look of how it looks on the website. And all pages, all the sections have been made with Elementor, and editing with Elementor is always easy. This is being the case study part. So all these elements have been given separately in the navigation menu, so editing the content is really easy for the beginners, and even if you are not technical, you can easily manage your content. In case study we have seen, and mega menus is here. Products and also things are common as in our WordPress. And now I wish to show you the theme options, and this is being the main control that is going to finally control your website along with the content portion. So this is the theme panel, you can say. And in the general setting, the layout is here. 5 icon you can set, and typekit fonts has been given. Fonts you can change, custom fonts, custom slug, preloader you can handle, scroll on top, and you can put the Google Analytics code as well. In the header section, you have header, multiple header to choose with. So it is in your controls. Header area you can select and choose. Sticky delay you can set and select header style, plotting option, and also things. And sort header, you have an option to choose a sort header, and you can upload the inner page banner background from this part, and it is having more controls as well. And footer is now we have two footer options, and again we can select the footer styles or pre-made footer styles. Elements, so a scroll bar is here, and buttons, you can control the color of button and size. Pages you can control, maintenance mode is here, coming soon, search, blog, and the single page layout, blog options, and now the theme setting, shop, and social icons, custom CSS, import export. So there are many settings that are available in the theme panel itself. So, and I believe I have shown you each and everything about the theme options and customization, and the remaining is only the page edit. So just in case you want to edit the content of pages and you are not very much familiar with the Elementors, so I will show you how to edit the page contents. Simply open the page that you want to edit. Let us assume we are going to edit the agency page, and let us have a look of agency page first. And suppose you are selecting this agency as your home page of your website, and okay, so this is being the page, and this is the logo area, header area that is being used on the page. Simply click on the edit with Elementor option, and you have to edit the header in separate section, and sticky header is in separate section. So simply click on edit with Elementor, and I will rather advise you to take a backup of page using any duplicator plugin, so it will be safe for you. Just in case you made any mistake, you can restore the page. And let us change the logo first, and where a logo can be edited. So header 23 is being used on this page, so we can click on the section for editing the header 23, and it is loading with Elementor. And editing with Elementor is always been easy, so you can simply edit the logo here simply clicking by the pencil icon, and similarly you can control the contents of header areas from here. You can remove the things, you can change the information and also things. So now we can go back, And for editing the page content, just click on edit with Elementor, and the Elementor editor is so easy to use, you never assume, I believe. So it is really easy for a non-technical person. It can be. So yes, you might have certain questions, so I am always available for answering your queries, for just in case if you want to have any particular information about the customization. And if you need a complete customization for this theme, you can just ping us, through the link given in the description of this video, and you can get the theme pack. And so just while editing the content, just be careful, you have to use same length content, text length, and the images dimensions should be same as given in the demo, so that integrity of your website remains intact. And this is the key for making a complete website like given in the demo. And you can certainly make a website, stunning website you can say, for your business. And Cubase is of course a perfect theme, and it has all the options that you need for your website, and it is really fast loading and having all technical features that you need for your website. So it is going to be a good selection for your website. Yes, so we have completed the installation, and we have multiple website with us to choose with, pre-made web demo website with us. What I will suggest, if you have completed, once you complete the development of your website, just remove the all the rest of pages that are not being used for your website, and you can even remove the media files to make your installation lighter. It is very important. Don't keep the bin items, the waste items in your installation. So if you are not using any particular page or a number of pages and things, so you should remove those. Like I will show you. This is being the template section of Elementor, and it has all the templates, all the header templates, header 26. You can directly edit the header as well. So header 26 and all 114 items are here, and you are going to use only one. So let us say if you are using header 23, you should remove rest of the header items if you have completed the development of your website. It is also a very important thing to keep your installation clean, and I always used to say in the optimization section of my videos that you have to keep your installation very clean and tidy. So okay, just remove those things that you are not using on your website. And okay, so we have complete set of website, and we have to choose only, and we have to put the content only. And I believe this video is helpful for you, and you are going to make a website, wonderful website for your business. And yes, I'm coming with a wonderful theme, plugin or utilities in the next video. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.